Hi, my name is Doug Harding, and I'm a business consultant here at the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center. I've been with the center for almost 5 years, where I ran a couple of very important workshop programs. One is an SBA funded program for about 3 years, where we were addressing the unemployed who wanted to start their business. The second program is an AARP funded program, where we were looking at providing assistance for those over 50 years of age who wanted to work for themselves. In fact, the name of the program was Work for Yourself at 50 Plus. I also teach management and business courses at the University of Pittsburgh in Greensburg, and my background has been in exporting most of my life. I've spent over 35 years working for major industrial companies, either providing equipment or coatings. The last of which was PPG Industries, where I was involved in a startup we call an entrepreneurship program, where we're actually looking at converting existing car paint technology to be applied onto glass bottles. This is a project that was run, actually pushed through Coca-Cola and other and like companies, where they were concerned about making their labeling in the international market more organic and more environmentally safe. And the markets I was attending was primarily Mexico, Latin America, Europe, and the Middle East, which allowed me to travel extensively into those regions, addressing the needs of Coca-Cola, the expectations of Coca-Cola's with the filling operations in those countries. Other companies that I worked for involved the metal and glass processing industries, providing equipment, and really traveling into these areas of Europe, the Middle East, Asia, Latin America, and Mexico. I spent a lot of time in Mexico. In fact, one of the interesting aspects is I actually opened up an operation in Mexico and spent 6 months in Mexico City for a company that was expanding in that area. I've also been a small business owner providing export consulting services to small companies, small businesses who want to expand into the industrial market in Latin America, taking advantage of the contacts I've established in those industries in that region. I hold an MBA in Global Entrepreneurship from Syracuse University, and also a master's degree in economics from Georgia State University. I'm originally from Venezuela, and I speak Spanish fluently. It is my native tongue. One thing I like about working for the SBDC is that I feel that I'm giving back to the community and helping those who want to start a business make it into a money-making opportunity. Okay, the SBA funded program that helped the unemployed enter into their own, start their own businesses, helping through the AARP funded programs, helping people who are close to retirement or have retired learn how to work for themselves, was very inspirational for me. And one of the things that I see is that this level of passion that has been conveyed to me by these people who want to start their business, to turn their passion into a money-making opportunity, is very inspiring. It drives me to help more, and I look forward to working with others who want to get into the business or start their new business to make it a profitable reality.